Hello everyone, this is Jayesh and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing a handheld gimbal. What's that? Let's see. I'm sure many people already know what's a gimbal and how to use it. What's a handheld gimbal, but still, let's go on. This is a Zhiyun Smooth Q Gimbal for handheld devices. You can see this. This basically is required for stabilization of mobile. If you're using a mobile device to shoot your video, or if you're vlogging and you're on a rampage, you're running and you're moving, then your mobile phone shakes in that video, but you need stabilization for that video. How are you gonna achieve that? How are you gonna achieve that? Yes, the answer to that is this gimbal or any other gimbal, but this is a good quality gimbal and we'll check this today with my mobile phone. So I'll just fit in this. So in order to fit in this, let me just keep this close to camera. Yeah, in order to fit in this, we have got a screw here. This mask is free flowing. Okay, this mask is also free flowing. So we need to somehow adjust the screw. This one. So these are some buttons, so we need to switch this on. Then we have a pan button, then we have some other switching buttons here, and this is the mode button. So I'm gonna get up and switch this on. Nice. We're inside the lift. Nice. Now we are walking down the street. You can see there are 3 people totally. And I can pan in locking mode. You can see this is the street. And now I'm getting out of the lock mode and I'm going downstairs. And wait. Firm now. Yeah. So now if I move this, the mobile, you see the mobile is quite firm. Even if I move from here, there, you see, but still now I have modes to choose. Now I'll first switch on mine. Okay, so I've just started a video when I'm here already. So now what I need to do currently is I'll lock this mode. Say this is the lock mode. I click that lock mode. Now if I move my gimbal, doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter. It stays at the same point. Right. I have locked my gimbal. So when I'm trying to shoot myself, maybe like this or like that, but I don't want much disturbances. I want to fix myself. I want to keep myself focused. I want to keep myself fixed. Then this is the method. It's quite locked. Now I'll again, remove that lock mode. So now it's in pan mode. So very nice. Now it's showing me it's in pan mode. Great. That's cool. So now what I can see is I'll double click this and look. Wow, it's now on the other side. I'll triple click again. Now it's coming back. So guys, this is a cool gadget for recording your videos through mobile. We have a manual pan here. This is a manual pan. So if I click this, this goes down. If I click this way, this goes up. Quite well, very nice. So you can pan this manually as well if you need. Okay, so in this mode, the left and right won't work. In pan following mode, since I am following myself, so the left and right won't work. You have to choose the left and right, and up and down can be chosen as given the subject. So suppose I go in the lock mode. This is the, where's the lock mode? Okay, this is the lock mode. Here I can do left and right. You see this? It's going left and right. So in lock mode, we can pan left and right. We can pan up and down as well. And that's great. Now there is another way. If I remove the lock mode, if I double click that, okay? Now if I click right, you see, it's getting tilted. Now if I click left, it's getting tilted. Very well, on double click mode. It's a great stabilizer that Zhiyun has made, Zhiyun Smooth Q. So it has 3 modes currently. One is the pan following mode, one is lock mode, one is the first person view mode, and that's quite great. We again have an app of Zhiyun. If we go in that app, then we have other features such as lock your focus. Suppose you have a pet at home and you put this camera there, and then you want that pet to be followed, then you can do this with the app, the Zhiyun app. So I have got that installed as well. So we're here. This is the app, but I'm not going to show that for now. We do have some ground tests that we've seen. So overall, this is a great product. I would really recommend you all this product. You can have this product, and there's a new version of this available as well. That is Zhiyun Smooth 4, which I have already ordered. It's coming all the way from China, so it will take time. So till then, use the gimbal while recording your handheld videos to get civilization and have greater videos at your disposal. Thank you guys very much. Like, subscribe, share, and see you next time. Good day. Peace.